Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to English with Bu Devi. Now, we will learn about the days, months, and telling time. Let's start together. Today is Monday. Sekarang adalah hari Senin. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Besok adalah hari Selasa. 2 days later is Wednesday. 2 hari kemudian adalah hari Rabu. The day after Wednesday is Thursday. Hari setelah hari Rabu adalah hari Kamis. The day after Thursday is Friday. The day after Friday is Saturday. Hari setelah hari Jumat adalah hari Sabtu. On Sunday, you can spend your time together with your family. Pada hari Minggu, kalian bisa menghabiskan waktu libur kalian bersama keluarga.
When will you have an English test? When will Miss Devi says it's on Monday.
Month of the years. Repeat after me. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. That's great.
When were you born?
I was born on September the 21st.
Valentine. It is 9 o'clock. It is a 10 to 2. It is a quarter past 12. It is a half past 1. When will the fireworks party start? I think it's a quarter past 7. Excellent! We have learned about day, months, and telling the time. So, when were you born? Write in comment. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for more English with Bu Devi. See you in the next lesson. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.